meantime, I also asked it in the form. I think I just added it, so Marie Chris wasn't able to add it there, but I'll just add it for her. Thank you. Okay, so I have added Johnny and Marie Chris to the classroom. If you can check out the classroom, I already gave you the link, the form, which is your first quiz, and then I also gave an assignment for next meeting. So while waiting for your classmates to arrive, you might want to go over it also.
Yes, miss, I think I saw the post here in the classroom.
Yeah, okay, yeah. So we will wait for our classmates until 6:15. After that, we will decide whether we will have classes with the two of you or we will postpone it for next week and wait for the rest. Because there's quite a few more enrolled in the class. I don't know why they are not participating. Okay? So for the meantime, please make sure you accepted the invitation to the classroom so that you can see the assignments so far I have given. Thank you guys.